Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing session. Today we are with this book, Krishna, my first book, board book, and this book, Hanuman, and this book, all in one. Old one got a tore off. So my dada mama has bought me this new book. કેવું છે બધું બધું જ છે આમાં તો કિશન ભૈયા છે કૃષ્ણ જો કાવ જોયું આદિતિ કાવ આદિતિ have you seen the cow? સુરત દાદા have you seen the sun ભગવાન ચલો ડેડી વાંચે છે ચલો that's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Rama, Hanuman, we bought Krishna, Hanuman, Shivaji, Shiva and Ganesha. Ganesha we already do have one book. Here is the book and elephant is another book. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.